going on, guys? So what I got going on here, got Panda Express, the usual, double teriyaki, and white rice, steamed white rice.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake. Cause I don't fucking care at all.
Alright guys, to make the story short, nice and short for y'all, what happened was I upgraded to iOS 10 before it came out, and I wanted to downgrade back to iOS 9. And so I ended up screwing myself over by downgrading because the video I was watching, the guy never said you had to back up all your data and so on. And so basically I lost one day in the life video, 2 full days of eating, 1 back workout, and like 2 flexing videos that I had already filmed. And so yeah, it sucks, but I can always make more videos. I'm glad I didn't lose anything. Just gotta get back to filming now, which I enjoy filming, but it just sucks that I lost all those videos that I had ready to upload. And so I'm gonna film the day. So let's start the day off good. Let's see how fast we can do this. Kind of awkward time to eat watermelon right now, for my first meal slash snack, whatever you want to consider that. It's kind of awkward time right now, but it's not that early anymore. It's 3:26 p.m. Saturday, August 13th. So I mean, it's kind of weird to eat it for my first meal slash snack, but it's appropriate, I guess, by the time. And you know, watermelon is too damn good. So that's what I'm having. Macros on the screen, probably 300 grams of it. So macros on the screen, check them out. This is what I'm having. I said I was gonna eat 300 grams, but man, this is tasting too damn good. I'm gonna have 550 grams of watermelon, GAF watermelon. Good as fuck. Gotta give me a little bit of chili. Little bit. Just a little bit. Ooh. It's not coming out. Just a little bit more. What's going on, guys? So what I got going on here, got Panda Express, the usual, double teriyaki, and white rice, steamed white rice. And so that's what I'm about to have. I'm not gonna weigh it out this time. I'm just gonna use a estimate from last time. So 9 ounces of teriyaki chicken, and then just I think it's a cup of white rice right here. So macros on the screen as usual. And yeah, guys, this is what I'm about to have. And I got a teriyaki sauce right here. About to put that all over this. Had to put the flash on it so I get all the details. Tell me that don't look good. Too damn good, dude. guys about a snack on 1 ounce of these. So yeah, macros on the screen. What's going on, guys? It's about that time. Time to go to the gym, make some gains. See y'all there. Two packages. That's it for tonight.
Tell me pretty lies,